Can you dance? Dance, Gabbers. You all done? Oh, thank you. Good dancing. Who's on the phone? The phone's ringing. Where is it? Go get it. Where did you put it? Hello? Hi. Nope, you're just fine. Gabby, who's on the phone?
Hi, Gab.
Yes.
How are you today, honey?
Yes.
Good. Are you going to go over and play with your friends? Are you excited?
I don't.
Tell Daddy what's on your feet. Don't put your hand there, honey. You'll squish it.
Did you put her new shoes on?
Yep.
Wow. Which one?
The blue and purple ones. The closed-toed.
You're a funny girl.
I know. Here, Gabby. Gabs. Talk to Dad. Do you want it?
Gabby, do you love Mama Kay?
Gigi.
Do you want new shoes?
Yes.
You like them?
Yes.
You like your new shoes?
She's like, yeah, I'm looking at them. Can't you tell?
Are they cool?
I will how they
That makes sense to me. Are you sure, honey? Okay.
Tell Daddy what we...
I sure love you, honey.
Can you say I love you too?
7, 19.
It is a tweet.
What's a tweet?
A bird. I still have the TV on.
Oh, okay.
There.
Hi, Dada, you're right.
Can you say I love you?
Well, I love you, honey. You have a nice day today.